Welcome back to the channel, guys. Another quick video here on this manual impact driver. This is Mastercraft, but you know, none of my videos are sponsored or anything like that, but just that, you know, it happens to be what I use. So here it is. I mean, pretty simple, right? And I find with the Phillips screw head that's on some rotors, you know, they're a pain to get off. But actually, I've used this, you know, I think you've seen them on YouTube where, you know, basically that's all they comment on using it for. And they show you, you know, on a rotor, the screw that keeps the rotor on. I've used it for that, but I've also used it for like so many things. You know, I got an impact driver and everything, but it's just different. The impact driver just kind of beats it around, you know. This here goes in and twists. So, I mean, it's very hard to strip a screw with this thing, and you know how it works is, you know, righty-tighty, whatnot. And you can use it for, I've used it a lot for sockets, right? Because you just, excuse me, you just, one-handed, I'm not a very good one-handed man, but you just take this off and you got a regular, I believe it's half inch. I'm not even sure. I think it's a half inch. You can put you know, sockets on it, right? And it works very well for that as well. So yeah, it's just a quick tool that I think that you don't use every day. But man, when you get that stubborn bolt or nut, I've used it on the car. Well, that's basically all I used it on. But I've used it underneath the car. Even exhaust, I've gotten, you know, the studs off with this thing, and I couldn't get it off. I was stripping the nut with the half-inch impact. So, but this thing here, now, you know, it's not going to be a miracle worker. That's not what I'm trying to say here, but it definitely got me out of a few jams. So, yeah, guys, if you pick one up, any brand, they're you know, $20, $30 on Amazon. Yeah, so another tool that I think that everybody should have. If you're a DIYer and you work on your own cars or whatever, definitely pick one up. You will thank me. Thanks, guys.